老板，我，哎，好，干活。
A lot of computers in here. I dabble a bit in tech myself. Well, these people working here must have something coming to market soon.
No, we have a trouble with the government.
I've heard that. I mean, to even operate an online platform inside the People's Republic of China, you need a government-issued ICP license, right?
I left a good life. Free rent, great friends, to fail in China. We try to rewrite a code, but government still won't give us license. Maybe we'll quit. Try something else. Do you like an octopus?
I do. Is that what you're working on? It's a decentralized network, huh? Wait, what did you do there? Looks like you removed the Data Federation servers.
Yes, and added multicasting and a data projection.
Why? That wouldn't work.
It works. Works fine. Government still does not like it.
Best of luck. Thanks for the tour.
Gavin, dim sum closes in 40 minutes.
Holy shit, holy fucking shit! That brilliant little idiot, he found a way around the patent.
Sir?
It's Hendricks' internet, but it's not Hendricks' internet.
I want to share in your excitement, sir, but I really don't follow.
That guy in there, he took Hendricks' software and changed it, so much so that it shouldn't work. But it does, he showed me the demo, and here's the thing. It's different enough that Hendricks' patent won't cover it.
Are you sure?
Of course I'm fucking sure. I wrote that patent, Hoover. I've got 100 engineers back at Hooley trying to get around it. They failed. But somehow that monosyllabic moron just stumbled into it. I need that kid's code.
My chance new girl watch made in China. We play ping